Welcome, in front of me I have SONY Xperia C5, and today I will show you how you can change notification sound in this device. So we have to open the settings, then go for sound and notification, and when you are here we have to go simply at the bottom and find notification sound. Click allow, and as you can see here we got a couple of the sounds. Let me just change volume. So if you want to change for one of them, just pick and click done. And as you can see, our notification sound has changed. If you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.